Today there is a level 1 and a level 2 on a scale of 1 to 5 for severe storms. The worst storm should be south of I-64 down into the Carolinas and parts of Virginia. For your Friday, there is a level 1 chance of severe storms. The Storm Prediction Center could increase the level of risk depending on development of storms in the Mississippi Valley. With that, there's also a small chance of a tornado, but not a zero chance for northern Kentucky, parts of Ohio, and Indiana. For your Saturday, most of the northern part of the Mid-Atlantic is normal thunderstorms, but to the south of 64 down into the south, there is a level 1 chance of severe storms.